Yo, Chinos, what is up? What is good? Welcome back to another YouTube video, where in today's video we are playing Stardew Valley Part 14. I never thought I would say something like that, because this is just such a long series, and I do hope you guys are enjoying the series. Speaking of the series, let us go into the series farm. Oh my goodness, guys. It's been a hot minute since I have touched some Stardew Valley. And you know what would be nice if Stardew Valley did this super cool thing called a Halloween update? I would love that. It appears to be some kind of anomaly. Okay. I just want to make sure that we have all of the things, you know? Now my pickaxe is ready. So, theoretically speaking, do I need this for anything? No. Okay, theoretically speaking, I don't remember where I put my vegetables. We could grab it. Because the plan was to do fishing, right? Yeah. Because then we would get more of those. Now, we do also need to go and get a cow. Is also something we do need to make happen. And I want to make sure that we have enough money as well, excuse me, to get everything. Sorry, I did record a... Sorry, I'm just making sure my PC isn't overloading. Never mind, my PC's fine. I was about to be very concerned about it. Any hoozles. I do want to make sure that we have enough things. We are gonna give this to Harvey, because yesterday we didn't have enough time. I'm gonna just check, see if there's any forage, because as we know, I like to be a very well-rounded Stardew Valley player, as we know. And because of this well-roundedness that I have, it just makes me the ultimate Stardew Valley player. Now, personally, do I think we will be able to finish ooh, it's Sam's birthday too. Okay, do I think we'll be able to finish the community center? Absolutely not. Not at all. Will I try? Maybe. Theoretically speaking. Probably not. Like, if we look, we still have the entire pantry, the entire, like, all of that. We have all of this. Like, unless I'm some kind of pro, then I don't think so. Like, genuinely do not think so. Which is fine. It's totally okay to not think that I can do this. Have I ever finished the community center in 1 year? No. No, I have not. Do I plan to? That would be kind of cool. I don't care if I don't get this fish of high quality. I wanted the chest anyways. A flounder. Cute. I find I owe it big. I do need to donate the fire quartz. That's perfectly fine. You know what? We'll go do that. And then we gotta gift the coffee to my lovely man. I need to find a gift for Sam, since it's Sam's birthday. I would, in fact... Oh, Gunther can tell me all about that? No, I'm donating it. See, it very much depends on my mood. Yay! Sometimes I'll donate to Gunther, but a lot of the time, if it revolves around, like, something that I can donate to the community center, then I will go and I'll donate it to the center rather than donating it to the museum, because I can go and get that another time. I can go and do that some other time. Now the flounder roe, I can age it. And if I age the flounder roe, Harvey, I come to give you gift that you will like and that you will not be sad about. Yes, for you. Just for you. Only for you, actually. Because I love you. You see? And it's a hard emotion to really talk about, love. Ugh. That's a tricky one. Oh, we got Farage right there and up there. Okay. Good. I will grab the Farage. I think today's it's gonna be a mixed day. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do. I mean, I know I want to fish. I'm pretty sure this one goes in the boiler room. Yeah, pretty sure. Let me double check. It's been a hot minute, guys. Oh my god. We finished a bundle! I find that this is the bundle that I tend to always finish first. Oh my god. We did it! We are the Junimos, keepers of the forest. Oh my god, this is so sick. And then if you look here, we have one. Oh wow, that is so sick. Yeah, it's so cool. We have the minecarts. Not right now, but tomorrow we'll have the minecarts. Oh, so sick. Now it's just gonna be quicker and faster for us to travel, which is perfect. That is exactly what I want, is faster travel. It makes it so much more easy for us to just get things and go places, which is just perfect. Because then I don't have to worry about certain things, and I don't have to be like, oh my goodness, I can't do it. I do not know what fish I still need. I have a feeling this could be a pike, which I'm a-okay with that. Sort of. Not really. You know what's crazy is memorizing the different keybinds for like every freaking video game I play. Like, okay, wait. What fish do I need? River fish, I need tiger trout. Ooh. I mean, in theory, I could get a lot. You know what? We don't need to go into. I'm like, well, I could. No. Just no. Okay? Don't even try and fight yourself, Arrow. Just no. Like, no. Guys, I'm so excited for spooky season. Y'all don't even know. Actually, I'm pretty sure when this video comes out, it'll be past spooky season. See, guys, I don't know how many YouTubers do this, where they just record a video and then they get it edited, and then it's edited, and then they just release it day that they recorded it. I don't know how many YouTubers do that. I don't do that, personally, because then I feel less stressed when I make videos ahead of time. I feel like I get a lot more, like, leeway time to be able to make more videos and stuff. Like, a lot of my videos are done, like, not necessarily weeks in advance, but, like, days in advance to when you guys might think I record. It's not very often that I'll record a video and then edit the video the same day. Not very often will I do that. Yeah, because this video is gonna release on, like, November 3rd or 4th. I don't know. I would have to... I can't even look. But I usually do my videos in advance. Oops. Just like me thinking that fish was gonna be way more ahead of me. Does it tell you? No, but prior to this I was playing the final video / part of the FNAF Friday series, which is super exciting because I didn't think I was going to be able to do it, because night 4 actually took me super freaking long, like this fish is. night 4, I think I spent it. It was almost a 1-hour video. It was a total of 1 hour, and then I cut it down as much as I could. Oh my god, please let me catch you. That's all I want. Do I need the sturgeon or anything? No? Okay. That took me a hot minute, but it's okay. But no, like, I think FNAF 1 Night 4, it took me the longest to get. And that was because that was when I had to learn the new strategy. I'll have to get FNAF 2 if people are interested. I'm not quite sure. But for Stardew Valley, we're going to do 1 year of Stardew Valley. And then we're going to end the Stardew Valley series until I was going to do a collab video with some friends, but I'm not quite sure if they want to do that anymore. But I'll see. I'll talk to my one friend. I'll see if he wants to do that. And then I have to find a time that works best for him. He's doing a lot of projects right now, so I might do a break of Stardew Valley. And then if people want Stardew Valley to come back, I'll do Stardew Valley, like, with mods. I'll do mods on Stardew, which is going to be super fun for me to get. Or if there's, like, a specific farm layout you guys want me to try, then I will. Because that is, I like to know what you guys want to see. Like, if there's any video games you guys want me to check out and maybe make a video on. There are some video games that I have kind of played that you guys probably will never see on here, which is totally fine. Oh, I'm gonna be making some money tonight. Anyway. I'm like, dang, you're all gonna be rich. I did not give Sam a gift, and I'm actually okay with that. Sam and I do not need to be friends. But you know what? I would like to go and give him a gift. So let's go find Sam. Sam could be walking home from work. It is a theory. And it could be a fact. I'm not quite sure. But let me meander on over to find Sam. Sam could be at home. Sam could be in his room, and if he's in his room, I'm going to cry my eyes out. Because that would be most unfortunate. No, I want to gift the grape. Sam could be going in here, honestly. Let me check. Because it looks like Sebastian's going this way. Nope, Sam is at home. Sam is either at home or he's going there, because Sebastian's going in there. So there is the high possibility. Sam. What a bitch. What a hoe. I am quite upset with that, Sam. I thought you and I were going to be friends. I thought we were going to be friends. Turns out we're not. Sad. It's fine. It's totally fine, guys. Trust. And if you guys do not believe me, boom. 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 I'm like, what can I sell? Okay, so roe goes in here. The fish go in there. Oh, so we already have pike, so I can just sell it. Sweet peas are flowers. Where do my seeds go? Okay. And I don't know if it's gonna rain tomorrow, because it didn't really give me a clear answer on if it was going to rain tomorrow. So we'll take a rough assumption that it will rain tomorrow, and we'll also get a cow. See, they're jamming out. They're jamming out while they're fixing it, which is fair. I would too. Alright, let's see how much money we made. Okay, good. What made us... The mayonnaise? Okay. Oh, it was the carp that got them. No, it wasn't. It was actually that one sturgeon. Okay. Right. That was some good money there, chat. That was some pretty... See, the thing is with fishing, and this is one of the bigger reasons why fishing is my... Oh my god, we got fucking green rain. Do I... we get the full green rain experience! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Mucho excited. Saw the weather report last night. I'm not sure what will happen, but if anyone wants to take shelter in the saloon, I'll keep it open all day. Okay, so everyone's probably gonna be in the saloon. One could take an assumption. I kind of don't care. That actually does make it perfect for, like, gift giving. Because then with the gift giving, I can just, like, go on over and give people stuff. I am going to... I'm not quite sure if that means Marnie will be in there. Sir, let me... It's like, yeah, no. Cute. What is that, a vegetable? Okay. No, go back. Yeah. Okay, so we got some jam. Okay. I think we'll take this as an opportunity to gift give as well. Now, because this is a seed, we're gonna plop it in there. And because we are going to take this as an opportunity to gift give, I'm trying to remember what the universal likes were. So we're gonna grab this. We'll grab 2 of those. I don't remember what the universal likes are. I do not have a lot of things to give. This is gonna go great. Oh my lord. Die. Okay, let's make a clear pathway. So my chimkins don't get lost. I'm gonna have to, like... Oh god. Hello, chimmykins. Mucho love. Voila. Feel love. I don't know what else you're supposed to say to chickens. Okay, let's go and see if Marnie could possibly be at home. As well as me doing this. Oh, so happy. Well, and I'm pretty sure we have the chance of getting the fiddlehead fern. Which is perfect, because I do not want to spend my life trying to get one. Marnie, please be home. Marnie. Marnie. I want to shoot her. Oh my god, Lear. Does Lear like... I'm trying to give you a fucking... I'm not allowed to give gifts during this... This has severely limited what I can do. Oh, is there gonna be a fish derby soon? I'm for that. This weekend, summer 20th through 21st. Okay. I didn't actually fully read that. 1 second. Freshwater skills. Oh, okay. I'm just like, yeah, sounds good. Meanwhile, I'm not actually reading it. I'm like, yeah. I'm just gonna, like, run around. You know. I feel like this is a fun way to slightly up my skills in foraging. And yeah, these mixed seeds can do like flowers and stuff. Like, am I not allowed to give today? If not, I am sad. I usually take the opportunity when when all of them are in like one spot to like go and gift give, and now it's like no. And I'm very sad about that. Because it's so hard to like find them, and they're always everywhere, and I'm like, bro. I also don't know why in this playthrough I have like an insane amount of like rainbow shells. Do you think if I fished I'd get some random ass fish? Like a new fish, do you think? Let's test my theory. Do you think I'd get a fish? I don't know. 1.6 is still all fairly new to me, even though me and my auntie have finished 1 year. My auntie and I are on like year 2. But I still feel like a lot of the newer stuff comes along as the year goes on. Okay, yeah. Nothing crazy or new there. I kind of don't want to check over there because I don't really care. I'm just trying to find the tree that gives you the fiddlehead ferns so that I can go donate. Because how many ferns do I need? I do need some fern. Or at least I thought I did. But yeah, we just need one. Do I have the cave? Guys, I barely remember any of my playthroughs. Like, do I have the cave? Did I pick the shrooms? I'm pretty sure I picked the mushrooms. And by pretty sure, I mean pretty sure, but not too sure. Fresh tomato. Girl, I don't got any of... We found it! Nyeh. Oh, thank God I can chop this. Oh my lord, beautiful. Okay, let's go donate one. We'll roam around a little more. This is also a good chance to get wood. Why am I not doing this? Like, yes, please. I need... Do you guys know how much wood I just frickin' waste daily in this game? So many. So much. I think as long as it's not raining tomorrow, we will go... We will meander on over to the... It's not the Enchantress, is it? No, it's... No. Boom. You know what? Might as well. Might as well. This one is also another one that can be quite easy to get done in 1 year, but I really wanted to do remix bundles. Remix bundles are my favorite things to do, guys. Remixed bundles are amazing. Okay. It's really annoying to get fiddlehead ferns, so I'm gonna take this opportunity while I can. I am very happy about the fiddlehead. Because, I'm sorry. Oh, it's Demetrius. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, there's a little frog! Oh, that's so cute. Aww. Don't fall. Thank you. Aw, so cute. You know, I might as well get rid of this. Get the moss, because moss can be used for things. I'm not quite sure what it can be used for, but it can be used for things. Grab that. Die, 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 die. Do do do. Do 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 do. And then grab. Grab. Can I? Oh, okay. No, I can't. Well, I don't need you. So, grab. And then we're gonna donate what we can. As per the usual, I can't get a cow until tomorrow, but it's fine. Whatever. Throw whatever wants to go into there. Throw things in there. See. What are you, a vegetable? Okay. Yeet. Yeet. Fruit. Like, I don't know what I want to do anymore. I am gonna grab those. One sec. Two. In theory, it should be fine. Whatever. And because fertilizer goes in here as well. I am gonna check. I'm pretty sure we bought... Oh my god, I gotta clear my entire yard of this shit, too. Can I, like, hit these rocks now with my awesome pickaxe? I think so. Oh, okay. I know I need the morel. And I need those, apparently. Animal, fall... no, it's for, fall forage. I need 1. Wait, can I, like... No, I have to actually physically go there. Okay. And then for the bulletin board, we need a red shroom and a purple shroom. And then we go back to the crafts, and we... Exotic forage is where I need the morel. Okay. I guess we could, like, travel on over again. I guess. These count as forage. Okay. Oh, 1, 2. And then this can go into there, in there. And I will go donate that real quick. I don't know what got pickled, but yeah. Okay, let's go. We are donating. I really love the green rain. I do not know why. Green rain seems to be my favorite thing. Okay. And over here? Question mark? It was in here. I think. I barely remember anymore. I'm gonna be so real. Okay. Yeah. Moral. Yeah. Yeah. Did I need another one? No? Okay. Can I move, like, the dehydrator? Am I allowed to pick it up? These are good questions, guys. I don't know the answers to them, but they're good questions. You guys probably know the answer to them. I haven't spent a lot of time in 1.6, as you guys could probably tell. I've spent a lot of it at my auntie's place. I've played a lot of it, so I know kind of what to expect from 1.6, but there's still quite a bit of things that are still new to me. Excuse me. Like, there's still quite a bit of new things for me to look at in 1.6. I am glad that I finally... It's probably my foraging. I would be very happy if my foraging leveled up. Would be mucho beneficial. I know that that's probably not how that's supposed to be. You know what? Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Let's... no. Boom. 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 Grab. Pickled. I pickled hops? Since when? Okay, right. Okay, level 5, level 3, 5, level 3. I'm still very upset over the fact that I accidentally did that. We will keep that, though, and we'll just put it here. Okay. Okay, yeah, level 6 foraging, super awesome, super lit. All right. In theory, it should not be. It's still raining. I don't think I'll fish, though. I think I'll go to the... It's raining 3 days in a row, though, so that's pretty sick. Vegetables, we'll just go in here. Okay. Maybe I can finally get a... like, a cow. Maybe I can finally get a cow. Because I have yet to own a cow, and I'm very sad, because I want to own a cow. And I love cow. Cow, go moo. So we got some jams. I think I'm gonna, like, give a jam. Can I, like, break these? Let me... Oh my god, guys, we can finally move the farm down here. Oh my goodness, we can finally move the farm. I'm very excited for that. This is my first steel thing. Do you think she'd like the strawberry or the grape? I think she's a strawberry kind of gal, so I'm gonna give Shane this. Oh my god, Shane actually liked it, guys. I don't know if Shane, like, loved it, but I think he liked it. Let me... Where is he? Shane. There we go. Oh my god, he likes jelly. I'm gonna call it jam, because I don't care. Well, open up faster, then. Maybe while I wait, I'll just go destroy those big boulders, I guess we can call them. That's so... Fuck, finally. I've been waiting for this for a while. If you guys could not tell, I've been waiting on the destruction of these things for ages. Because what I want to do is I want to put farming. I want to put farming in this area. And I want to go to about here. So I'm going to make, like, some fence. And I'm going to fence it. And then we're going to do the farming here. And then I'm going to build, like, a little path almost. So I'm going to do, like, a cute little circle kind of around here, because then I'm gonna have like the rice kind of go around here, and then I'm gonna put a path kind of around the rice, and then we're gonna have a path that kind of like leads from like the door to here, and that's gonna be cute. Also, these give a lot of stone, like almost 15. Some of them even, yeah, 15 I believe. Let's see. Yep, 15 exactly, which is a lot of stone. Especially for how much how much I use. I use a lot of stone. Okay, so then let's go and we'll give a strawberry jam to Marnie, and also pray that she will let me get a new cow. Because I would really love to own a cow. I would very much appreciate owning a cow. Hi, can I have a cow? I have business. And it is to own a cow. Precisely. Ooh, what should we name the cow? Moosifer. Perfect. Cow. Absolutely perfect. Perfection. Okay. Now I know Moosifer will not be ready. But it's perfect. We now have a cow. I'm very happy about that. We have a cow. I am quite content. I am gonna actually keep these and eat it. Oh my god, I can just go to the mine carts now. I don't even have to walk. That's so sick. I can just go to the mine carts now. I'm still very disappointed in myself that I got a cutlass. Should we go 50? I do kind of need more. I need to get more copper. I've seemed to run out. And I just need more. Yeah, so I think that's what we'll do, is we'll just try and get more copper. Okay, so now that we have that. Okay. What ring do I have on me? Oh, a magnet ring? Like, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's totally fine. Okay, so that's good. We have that. I do also just want to... I know that there is a little... There's a little... Oh my god. Okay. Cute. Okay. As you guys can see, there is this. Oh my god, there was a Dougie, damn it. Maybe I'll get a Dougie. Down here. I did. Okay, perfect. Perfect. As we know, the sleigh goals are very important, guys. Where's the other one at? Oh my god, more doggies. There's so many. I'm very happy about the 8 million doggies, though. Doggies are very fun to kill. Honestly, I'm gonna be so real. Duggies are like probably my favorite thing to kill. Okay, beautiful. Some light. Okay, I do mainly and primarily want to make sure that I'm finding... I do not mind using the daggers. They aren't like my favorite thing to use, but I will use them if needed. Okay, There's an amethyst up there, perfect. Yeah. I really love how cute the dagger is. It's like, the dagger is the cutest little weapon. Like, look at it. Okay, so I found one there, but I do want to go get the amethyst. Oh, it was topaz this time. Okay. Usually, like, it really depends. Okay. Go around. Take a little meander. Okay, so there's already one here. But, again, sleigh goals. So just double check. Looking around. Nothing. Okay. Get over here, you hope. Yeah. 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 I'm having the best time of my life. Just murdering. Itchy. Oh my goodness. Okay, perfect. So I'll just go down here. Do bill. Check. Sometimes they like to be butts. I'm honestly only here to get copper, though. I do not really... Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Perfect. Okay, and I think that's gonna be the last floor that we'll do. And then bust off. I like how bright it just got on my screen. I'm like, oh my god, vision. Hello. Okay. I am going to throw a decent amount of you in there. Throw you in there. Throw all that in there. Go over here. Throw everything in there. Okay, cake carrot counts as forage, so we'll throw that in there. Those will get... Perfect. I didn't level up, but that's okay. That is fine by me. Alright, thank you everybody who came and watched the video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, please make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And with that, I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, wherever it is you are, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, Chinos!